Excel interprets the expression -4 to the power of 1/2 by applying the exponent to the entire number -4, rather than just to 4. This approach results in an error, as the software does not directly handle complex numbers in this context. To ensure better understanding, it is advisable to clarify this particularity to students, promoting more precise use of available mathematical tools. Copilot in Excel may present challenges in interpreting certain mathematical expressions, highlighting the importance of manual review to ensure calculation accuracy. Copilot Online correctly interprets the expression -4 to the power of 1/2, following the order of mathematical operations. The author proposes a possible correction for the calculation of -4 to the power of 1/2 in VBA, addressing limitations in Excel's mathematical interpretation. The solution aims to enhance computational accuracy and minimize conceptual misunderstandings. This improvement could have a significant impact on global education, promoting greater alignment between technology and mathematical principles. The study highlights the importance of adapting digital tools to academic